All right, let's go ahead and do a Monday recap here and look at the price action for the day and see what opportunities we had. One thing I'd like to point out is using ChatGPT. We haven't really talked about it a whole lot, or I haven't brought it up. It's been something I've been working with. One problem that you see a lot of traders use, or anybody really that matter with ChatGPT or AI, is they don't know how to ask the right questions. They're just throwing random stuff at AI and trying to get results. So once you learn how to do the price action stuff that I have pointed out here, that's where the power of AI can be used. Have it look at your weekly, your daily, your 4 hour, your 1 hour, and so on and so forth, to help it find direction in the market, key levels, key support, using your moving averages and your indicators to take advantage of the market. And say the trades that you're looking at on here that I do already have sitting up on the screen here were actually designed by AI using the key levels and also key levels of support and resistance in order to know when to remove the trade, which this is where you always want to read the charts by your own knowledge and learn how to actually trade, and don't just use some type of system like AI. So I hear that quite a bit with other traders, that they're just using AI to randomly take stuff, and that's a problem. So in this case, you still want to take trades accordingly. So when AI was giving the this signal here, you can see that, well, it's pretty confirmed because you have you're right down to the 5 minute here. The 15 is confirming that we were going up, taking advantage of that. So when you're looking at the 5 minute, you can see that we're sitting on the 21 on the 5 minutes as we're bouncing. So here's your pullback, show strength, and up it goes. You could build a strong trade even to put it right into this area and took advantage of this little move, which we do see support pretty strong at the 95,500 level. And then the higher time frames, the daily, if you go out and look at that, just because stochages are high doesn't mean anything. The only thing is there is some exhaustion here in the MACD. It does give for a higher probability of potential pullback here on the daily, not because of stochages, but just the other indicators are kind of confirming that. But this is where you could help AI, or AI could help you actually build this out and look for key levels that we need to hold. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my charting for the daily real quick. And you can see these key levels that I have drawn on here in this yellow lines of support. The other thing is that we do have a key level of strong right shoulder for this to come back down and sit into, for us to take the opportunity to purchase a longer trade, a stronger trade run up. So the 4 hours kind of giving us this current bull flag, and you have a run up to this 106 level. That would be your daily's high back here. It's already confirmed. This is really what I'm looking for the week to hold on the daily. So as of right now, we're the break and hold above the 94,416. Currently, the market's sitting at 94,814. This is something I built actually through this morning, but the target I would look for it to hit is 98,200 to 100,000. So if we fail and we break down below that, then we could see the pullback down to that 91,382 or maybe 88,000. So you can see the key levels right here. This is the weekly and daily, the bull bear support. Basically what that means is that if we get down here, we're going to be flipping. This will be pretty much we're in a bear. We've lost our run up. So we definitely don't want to hit that 65.6 level. The other key level is 82, which is currently right in here. But the key zone is a pullback, is what I was just talking about, which that's what this data right here is explaining too. And we do kind of see that pressure. We've already taken out this level. I would, for the left shoulder, I do like that we have already kind of confirmed that. If you dig into that, it's already been confirmed. So it would be nice to see us get a nice little run up here and double top, and then see that pull back into here, build a big bull flag, and then rip on up and see us go to the higher highs at that point. That would be a longer area. So again, we are actually building trading videos on how to use AI and find all your current time zones, look for major key level supports that you can see. So if I turn off my weekly here, or my daily, and turn on my weekly right now, it's for this week that I have charted. You can see that I have those same, this is for the weekly though, but this same area kind of worked from the daily zones. We do have that key level of support. And then these are other levels of support that we could probably hit on the weekly. More than likely, we're probably not going to see those levels though. And the weekly close right now above is bullish up to the 100,000, but the weekly close pullback could be that zone that we were talking about already. So those are the main support levels that we're looking for. So And again, that's using AI to build this out. And those are the key areas that you're looking for in order to take profits and take advantage of the market. But let's get back into the 15-minute for the day. Oops. Let's go ahead and remove that. Oh, it's just because we're mainly looking at this area. So when we looked at the day, this is the 30-minute candle right here, top and the bottom, right here where this white line is. This is the 4-hour pattern that I was looking at that we were currently sitting in. A strong setup for us here to go ahead and break out. It does show that we could just try to break out here. We may double top and then roll on over. But regardless, the 15-minute, 30-minute candle, we started to see the breakdown. This is the hard snap. You want to always wait for the reversal. There it is. Started giving us confirmation. This is on the 15-minute. Go into the 5-minute. This confirmed as well. In my case, I went ahead and went to the original support, put my stop there, and then I looked for it to break down and double bottom, possibly here. As you can see, we started to go sideways through here, which there's your smaller double bottom, which was 93.5. So we created a left shoulder ahead, and then we broke this area here, which is your left shoulder, which made us give a right shoulder right in here. Again, this is also rejecting or pushing up off the 21 and showing potential run up. The other thing is we had the 5-minute, like I was showing you before, which we took advantage of that opportunity as well. So that is the trade. Like I said, I'm actually going to be building this out in videos and teach you how to use AI to take advantage of this opportunity as well and get more clarity and confirm to use AI as your trading assistant and help you make sound decisions and also confirm stuff that you already know in the market. So that is your daily recap and a little bit extra knowledge and looking at the longer time frames. As of right now, I do see some strong resistance right here at 95.5. If you do break above, it'll just be a money grab. More than likely, I do see us also pullback area. The 4-hour right now, the histogram is showing the same thing, and a weakening of stoaches. So the 4-hour does look like we could pull back down, or go ahead and start pulling down into that key zone that we are looking at on the longer time frames. So that's about it. We'll go ahead and take a look at Tuesday's recap and kind of see if we're breaking up or breaking on down, and we'll go from there. Thank you, guys.